Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is a quick unboxing of the Razer Kishi version 2, as you can see here. So this is the Android version. I did have the original one and had to get rid of that and stop using it when I switched phones. I switched to Pixel 6 Pro and the Galaxy Z Fold 3, neither of which are supported, of course, due to the size. Trying to get into the thing. There we go. Should really check for these sticky labels before I start recording, shouldn't I? And at least be slightly prepared. Now I'll just lift off the top. There we go. And there it is. So you can see it's slightly different design from the version 1. And version 1, the original one, did just have it claps together. This was just a small plastic piece with some like rubber bands. So it was limited on the size of the device, but this looks really big, and you could actually get some tablets into this. That'd be awesome. And I'm going to be showing this on the Fold and on the Pixel as well, so subscribe to the video if you want to see more. I've got the capture button there, menu button. Buttons look a lot more optimized, and there's even some additional buttons on the top there as well. Nice and clicky, but they do feel more firm and better built than the previous generation. Altogether, I'm quite happy. It does look like it's less versatile to carry. Like I said, the other one pretty much went in your pocket. Imagine this piece and this piece just clipped together without this bit in the center. And a little more grippy than what I remember as well on the thumbsticks, which is good. But awesome. Yeah, stay tuned for a full review and some sample footage of using it in action. But thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.